It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. We'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward. Now you need to forward.
Our salmon wedding. You recording me. Can I see? Let me see.
You see?
Carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. All I'm really asking for is you. Who you belong to.
Delicious. Okay, hold on. So you guys saw it was soaking fresh. I don't know if you guys know what black eyed peas are, but they're so good. This is my first time in there making. Good morning. My daily morning routine. Sometimes I let it go like all day. So it's currently empty.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you mean to get done, 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 done. If you come over, sorry if you're way less friendly.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Babe, we're gonna bring out the Christmas stuff today. If we're not hosting Thanksgiving here, my house about to be Christmas right now. And if we see Christmas trees for sale, let's get them. Good morning. It might be afternoon now, I'm not sure. But we have come outside for our daily sun. I've got my coffee and I got my book that I'm almost finished reading. I'm so excited. I love this book, honestly, I recommend it.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Set, go.
Ready, set, go. Yay! So yeah, today is Monday. I'm rocking my Christmas stuff. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna bring out my Christmas stuff. Yeah? Someone's here? Joshua took off today, so we're gonna be relaxing, getting some stuff situated. Like I said, we're ordering things and getting the house together. Little by little, it's coming together, so I'm excited and happy. Yeah.
Mommy.
That's coffee.
Mommy.
You can't have any.
Aww. Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Sit down. If I had $1 for every time I heard mommy, oh my gosh, I'll be rich. But yeah, no, so we're gonna try and do something fun today while he's off and get stuff situated and done and shopping, hopefully some order pickups, because you know. But yeah, so anyways, let me read. I'm trying to finish this book right now, actually. So I don't know what daddy's doing, but I'm gonna get my coffee and read. Look at this beautiful view. Where are the clouds at? God is so good. Sapphire say God is so good. She wanna play in the water.
Go in the mud. She got her feet on the floor.
I'm gonna wipe it off. I've got my tea brewing. I made milk coat. hot chocolate, calm chamomile, some pancake that I just whipped up. So I am currently prepping to go ahead and do some henna. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got some pretty thick brows. Brows are not a concern for me, but I do have like some gaps and stuff. And I just want to wake up with flawless brows. So we're gonna do this today. I'll show you guys how it ends up, but I'm gonna wax first and then do all the things. They're still on. I'm about to wipe it off right now, but guys, I got ombre effect going up here first, and then guess what? Ooh, I'm about to wake up with flawless brows. My big old Egyptian Puerto Rican brows. Oh, I love them. They didn't come out as dark as I thought they would, so I'm happy about that because I thought that they were gonna come out super dark and then I had to like wait for them to fade out. But they came out cute and I love them. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to hit the road, pick up some of my orders that I have placed for curbside pickup, and then maybe pop into a few others. I just finished making my matcha latte. I am about to go sit out on the patio and do an order for groceries that I need to get done. Now, if you guys know me, you also know I really don't like doing groceries or going grocery shopping, so that's just what I'm about to do. I also have no hands. I'm trying to open this door. Oh, it's so beautiful. Here she comes. Hi. Yes, I need this one. Like, I love my daily sun. This came out good, by the way. Yeah, so today's super calm. I'm just going to get some groceries delivered, and then I'm going to pick up some curbside pickup again. Clearly you can tell I don't like shopping unless it's for like obviously clothes or things that I really enjoy. This thing's there. Your order is ready. So that's ready. I'm waiting for this matcha to kick in though because I'm tired.
Mommy.
Hello. Yeah, and I'm sweating. I'm closing my rings though. I'm not even mad. Let me get back to this. Let me sweat some more. Let me get my workout in. And then I'll probably start editing this, and then I'll see you guys sometime this week if I vlog anymore. But if not, this is gonna come up to you guys definitely by tomorrow. So I love you. Like, subscribe, share, comment, show love, and I'll catch y'all next one. Good morning, guys. So I am currently drinking my Starbucks coffee that I made. And you see, I've had these socks 13,000 years, but if you see me wearing these socks, then you know what's happening today. I am breaking out the Christmas box. I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm going to include that in next week's vlog, so see y'all soon.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping.
I love holding